Like what?
Let's think about what brand new babies can do. Little babies can't talk, but they can certainly...
I'm so sorry, Haxby.
or hungry, or need someone to change their...
Nappy.
That's right. And before you hold a new baby, it's important to wash your...